Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all, my old and new subscribers. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Welcome to the Jamaican kitchen. And welcome today to Debbie Donga Yard Jamaican yellow rice. Yes, I'm doing for you all today my way, my version, and I've developed this version on my own, and I want to share it with you all. Yellow rice. Okay, let me get my hot water going. Right here I have, get right in camera girl, half of a chopped onion, small onion chopped, some chopped oregano, is that right, camera girl? And I have a small, this is not a scotch bonnet, it's not, it's like a sort of common pepper. I told you all and I've showed you scotch bonnet, it's not, it's a small pepper. I have some chopped garlic, reasonable amount of chopped scallion, and I have some red and yellow chopped sweet pepper. I have some thyme here that I've washed and left to dry inside my paper towel. Yes, I have my rice, which is 1.5 pounds, which is 24 ounces of rice. I have butter. Yes, I have a pack of Maggi Soup It Up pumpkin mix. I have my yellow food coloring, and I have some black pepper. I have right over, and we link for you everything that we are using here in the description. And please remember, if you're using more rice, I have 24 ounces, which is 1.5 pounds of rice. My rice has been picked and washed. If you are using more, you would proceed to use a little more herbs, which is simple common sense. Okay, I have right over here inside my Dutch pot here, just it, I have about a 1/4 cup of canola oil, or if you have light vegetable oil, or I wouldn't say corn oil, canola, vegetable, or any other oil that is light. Okay, so we're gonna proceed. We can add almost everything at the same time except for the garlic. You know, garlic is easy to burn. So we're gonna proceed, be careful, to put in we're gonna put in scallion. Oregano, right in. Onion, in. And what we're not gonna need the stalk of the thyme. So we're gonna proceed to pull down. Try to get in a lot of your green thyme. Family, not dry. Green thyme leaves, the leaves, you all. So you just use your index and your thumb and you pull it down together like this, okay? If a little piece of the sprig go in there, but try not to get a lot of it in there, okay? So we are putting in some green thyme leaves, y'all. And it's gonna flavor up this yellow rice. Nice herbs yellow rice. Now we can put in our garlic. And it's like it's a sort of sauteing method, so to speak, at this point. Yes, it's gonna be like a sort of saute. So we're gonna rigorous stirring. Okay, this is what it looks like. Yes, I have right here my pack of Maggi Soup It Up pumpkin flavor with some coloring. We are gonna dump it right in. So we're gonna get everybody in. Please do not let it burn. You don't want anything burning. Okay, y'all, look at it. Are you in? Camera girl, are you in? I hope you're all in. Camera girl is in. This is what we have here. This is what it looks like. So we are sort of sauteing, and we don't want to get it burned. Okay, now we are gonna put in some yellow food coloring. That is about like a teaspoon. If you have the gel or the paste, proceed to use it. But remember, when you're using that, you've got to use just a small amount, like you use a toothpick to put in there and all of that. Now look at it. Okay, we're going to lower our flame at this point. And we're going to add in our rice. Every bit of our rice. Okay, y'all. Rice is in. Now flame is low. We're going to coat. We're going to coat with the mixture that we have been sauteing, because we want to see the color of our rice. Herbsy and nice. Look at the, it's so pretty. Isn't it, camera girl? It's so pretty. So at this point, we're coating with that yellow mixture that we have in there. And while I'm coating, I want you to get the right color of the rice before you add water. Flame up, and we are going to continue coating this rice inside this yellow mixture. And at this point, it looks like we can take a little more of our yellow food coloring, so you can sprinkle it anywhere. Okay, and we are going to continue coating. Constant coating, and you see all the herbs with everything coming out right in. If you have your wooden spoon and your non-stick, proceed to use it. Now looking at this, you have an idea what your yellow rice, the color of it, will be. Flame up. We're gonna go now to get our boiling water, and we're gonna proceed to put our water over our rice. Okay, y'all, we're gonna hold it there. If you notice, I did not put in any salt because the pack of Maggi Soup It Up, it has in salt. So now we have poured in our hot water, and look at it, y'all. Look at it. You see, you have that color, that desired yellow color is there, and all the herbs are in. So we're gonna taste for salt perfection, because the Maggi has in some salt. And yes, we do want a little salt. We're gonna hold your hand high when you're not measuring. We're gonna lower flame, because this is not gonna cook on a high flame, y'all. And that should do it, because you know Debbie down a yard, she not really deal with the salting, and y'all should not deal with it too. So looking at this, we can take another probably half cup of water. Yes, because you know the rice. And look at this, y'all. So we're still gonna taste for salt perfection at this point. Okay, and it's good. So now we're gonna get our pot covered. Yes, and cover our pot. One last stir. Do not proceed during the cooking process. Do not proceed to open and stir. This is the last stirring. Do not proceed to open and stir after this. Okay, so now we're gonna put our cover on, lid on, and we are at this. Get them a shot at the flame. We are at this, like, next. This is low, almost to nothing. And we're gonna leave it there for another 15 to 18 minutes. So when we return, you'll see the finished product. Okay, y'all?